Welcome to the Soul Goals podcast, where I bring you meditations, hypnotherapy, and personal growth tools to empower and inspire. I'm Diane, your guide for today's session. Millionaire Mindset Black Excellence. For more transformative content, please visit mysoulgoals.com. Now, today's meditation is all about harnessing a powerful mindset, a mindset aligned with abundance, success, and excellence. So let's get started. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Do it again, and this time hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Feel the rhythm of your breath, inhaling calm and exhaling any stress or tension. With each breath, allow yourself to release the day's worries. You are here to focus on your power, your excellence, and your limitless potential. Now, we'll start by relaxing each part of your body, melting away any remaining tension. Let's start with your feet. Feel any tightness, soften it, and release. Let the sensation travel up through your ankles to your calves, relaxing every muscle. Move up to your knees, then to your thighs, feeling each area soften and relax. Allow your legs to grow heavy, sinking deeper into comfort. Now focus on your hips, releasing any tightness or strain, and feel this relaxation travel up through your lower back, moving up your spine. Let go of any stress, letting your whole back soften. Shift your focus to your chest, letting each breath expand and relax your chest. Move this feeling to your shoulders, allowing them to drop, releasing any burdens that you may carry. Feel this calm energy travel down your arms, through your elbows, all the way to your hands and fingers. Feel them tingling, but let them rest, heavy and relaxed. Now bring your attention to your neck, releasing any tension there. Let your jaw unclench and your cheeks soften. Let your eyes sink comfortably. Finally, relax your forehead, your eyebrows, your scalp, letting any remaining stress dissolve. Your whole body is relaxed, ready to enter a state of deep focus. To deepen your relaxation and prepare your mind for abundance, I'll count down from 10 to 1. With each number, feel yourself drifting deeper into a peaceful, powerful trance. 10. Deeper and more relaxed. 9. Sinking further into calm. 8. Letting go of any distractions. 7. Feeling peace engulf you. 6. Relaxing even more. 5. Drifting deeper into your inner world. 4. Surrounded by stillness. 3. Open and ready to receive. 2. Embracing a millionaire mindset. 1. Fully relaxed in a deep state of focus. In this deep state of calm and focus, bring to mind an image of yourself thriving, embodying a millionaire mindset rooted in Black excellence. This vision is vibrant, full of life, representing the highest version of yourself. Confident, purposeful, and free from limitations. Picture yourself living the life you've always dreamed of, where abundance flows freely and naturally to you. Imagine the home that you live in, the car that you drive, the people you surround yourself with, the food that you eat, the clothes that you wear. Every detail speaks to your success and the hard work you've put into manifesting this life. Take a moment to look around this vision. Feel how real it is and how achievable it is for you. In this vision, see yourself making decisions with clarity and wisdom. You trust yourself to create the right path, knowing that every step you take is grounded in your values and purpose. Imagine handling each opportunity with confidence, recognizing that you are deserving of the abundance that comes your way. Now feel the energy of black excellence within you, a lineage of strength, resilience, and brilliance. Picture this energy as a warm, glowing light in the center of your chest, pulsating with pride and purpose. Let this light grow, filling your entire being, reminding you of the rich history you carry with you. This is a history of those who paved the way, of those who thrived despite the odds, and it fuels your journey forward. Imagine yourself now as a source of inspiration to others, embodying the values and excellence that defines you. Feel the joy of not only achieving financial success, but uplifting others along the way, knowing that your success is also part of a larger purpose. Now, feel your connection to the world around you. See doors of opportunity opening before you, welcoming you to step into a world where abundance flows in all forms. Money, love, community, and purpose. You're a magnet for positive, prosperous energy, effortlessly attracting wealth in ways that serve your highest good. Take a few moments to let this feeling expand with you, knowing that this millionaire mindset is not just about material wealth. It's about freedom, purpose, and the opportunity to live your truth fully and boldly. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I am worthy of wealth, success, and abundance. I am worthy of wealth, success, and abundance. I am powerful and I am grounded in excellence. I am powerful and I am grounded in excellence. Opportunities come to me easily, and I use them to create a life of impact and meaning. Opportunities come to me easily, and I use them to create a life of impact and meaning. I am worthy of wealth, success, and abundance. I am worthy of wealth, success, and abundance. I am powerful and I am grounded in excellence. I am powerful and I am grounded in excellence. Opportunities come to me easily, and I use them to create a life of impact and meaning. Opportunities come to me easily, and I use them to create a life of impact and meaning. Let each affirmation settle deeply within, reinforcing the powerful mindset you carry with you. You are grounded in purpose, clear in vision, and unstoppable in action. Take a moment to let these feelings amplify. Allow this state of calm, confidence to become a part of you, a resource that you can access anytime. Know that no matter what comes your way, you have both the strength and peace to handle it. Let this balanced energy fill you, flowing through your mind, your heart, and your entire being. As we near the end, I'll count back up from 1 to 10. With each number, bring yourself back and present, carrying this powerful mindset with you. 1. Feeling your body. 2. Becoming aware of the space around you now. 3. Feeling the strength of your millionaire mindset. 4. Bringing back a sense of calm, confidence. 5. Feeling alert and refreshed. 6. Grounding yourself back in the room. 7. Starting to move your fingers and toes. 8. Feeling fully awake and empowered. 9. Aware, alive, and filled with purpose. 10. Opening your eyes, ready to embrace your journey to abundance. Thank you for joining this meditation. I hope you leave today feeling empowered, abundant, and connected to your path of excellence. If this meditation resonated with you, consider setting the playlist on repeat overnight, allowing these affirmations to root deeper within. Visit mysoulgoals.com if you're looking for more support on your journey. In the meantime, continue walking in abundance, confidence, and purpose.